Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. Candice. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys 3 survey websites that you can expect to make money online by completing surveys, doing offers, and playing games. But before that, if you are new to the channel or happen to be viewing this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, leaving a comment below, and giving this video a thumbs up. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Today we are going to be looking at website number 1. It is this website that I'm looking at right now. The name of the platform is Rewards One. You can expect to do surveys and get paid, but not only that, you can play games and watch videos. This is a legit website that has been around for quite some time. Since 2007, it has been giving people rewards in PayPal and other cash out offers. You can expect to cash out through PayPal, Amazon gift card, Visa, and also Bitcoin. They have an instant cash out. So after cashing out, you can expect to get your money within few hours after cashing out. The sign up process is quite simple for this website. You can either sign up using your Google account, or you can manually put in your email address, your username, and your password. Click the terms and conditions, and then click the join now button. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to log into my account and just show you how it looks like on the inside. After logging in, I am then directed to a page like this one. This is where you get your surveys, your offers, you get your referral link, and then you can also complete the daily poll. This is where you can redeem your points. You can also win with the contest, and then read some of the forums, read on the forum, and then these are the frequently asked questions. This is where you can also get your surveys and your offers right there. As you can see, I have accumulated 452 points within less than a month. That's one thing I love about this platform. You always have surveys to do. Moving on to the next platform, we've got this platform right here. The name of the platform is the Panel Station. The sign up process is also quite simple. You can either sign up using your Gmail account or your Facebook, or you can manually put in your email, your first name, your last name, your gender, birthday. You can get the link down in the description box for this platform. You can put in your city, your postal address, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click the join now button. You can also expect to get paid through PayPal, Paytm, and also rewards in Amazon gift cards. So yes guys, I'm just going to log into my account just to show you how it looks like on the inside. After signing in, I am then directed to a page like this one. This is where you get your surveys, and then this is where you can see your points, and some other points will be on review, so you might not be able to redeem your points because they are still under review. As you can see, I've got 4,010 points under review. This is where you complete your profile, you see the rewards, and then read on the blog, and then this is the help center. You can also complete quick polls and get some points. So yes guys, this is a very easy to use website. We are going to move on to the third website, but before doing so, if you find value in the video that I share with you guys, please hit the like button down below. It helps me a lot with YouTube's algorithm, and it helps me improve. And for the last website, we've got Swagbucks. This is how their homepage looks like. They've already logged me in because I'm a member. You can get the link down in the description box. This is how it looks like. This is where you get your surveys, and then you can also get your surveys with Peanut Lab, and then complete your daily poll. This is where you can discover different offers, play games, and then here is where you can get different cash out offers, and then you can just read more. You can also download their app, and also if you've got a PC, you just install the extension into your phone. You get your referral link, and so on and so forth. So yes guys, this website is quite simple, easy to use. The cash out is through PayPal and other cash out offers, so you can just come here to rewards and just see their cash out